guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would film a watch me work. So I recently did this kind of coral glittery look using Jimmy Gel as an overlay. So I thought I would film that and show you guys today. So I've gone in with my Tack, which is an amazing bonding agent if you need help with a degen, and I'm just scrubbing that really well into each of the nails and then curing it for 30 seconds in the LED dot lamp. Next, I'm going in with Jimmy Gel and I'm putting kind of a medium layer over all of the nails and then curing it for 60 seconds in the lamp. I am obsessed with Jimmy Gel. I think it's completely changed so many things with the way I work. It's opened up so many new doors and it's brought light elegance to my regular soak-off clients, and I'm just so excited for this product.
I like to drive by myself, so I control the volume.
Now I'm going in with Tumbleweed, which is a stunning coral colour from the new Desert Dreams Buttercream collection. This is going to be such a popular colour over summer. I don't know about anyone else, but every single one of my clients come summer wants to have coral on their nails, and I think this is going to be such a huge hit. So I'm applying that with the Light Elegance Bling oval brush. I think it is the oval brush, yes, the Bling oval brush, and just whacking that on each one of the layers and then sticking it in the lamp to cure again.
Somebody to talk to. I wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody that's cool. I just want somebody to talk to. Someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool. And it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to. Somebody to talk to. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody.
For a little bit of added sparkle, I'm taking Waffle Cone, which I believe was part of Light Elegance's last summer collection. I might be wrong, but I think it was their summer collection, and it's just this stunning pinky goldy bit of everything glittery mix. So I'm putting that on a couple of the nails. So I'm doing the ring finger and the thumb as a glitter fade, and then the middle finger as a full glitter, and I just think these two together pair so well. They just complement each other so well. They blend in amazing, and I just love it. This, again, come summer, is going to be just such a popular choice for my clients.
I was kissing you with my eyes open, but you said
To finish it all off, I'm going in with Super Shiny, and as the name suggests, it just goes super shiny and it's really nice. It finishes off the look really well. It does leave a tacky layer, so you do need to cleanse that top stickiness away and then buff a bit of cuticle oil in, and it's just gorgeous. So you will see me doing that right now.
being me, oh, and that's how I knew it. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. Might have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay.
And that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe if you did enjoy it, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!
But you said shut it off, you're too old for dreaming. So I did my best to feel what you're feeling.